Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, afternoon, evening, or even good night. Depends when you watch this video. So, this time, me and my partner will try to present our ISAS, Information Search and Analysis skill, with the theme of security system. And on this occasion, we choose the encryption system. First of all, before I start presenting, allow me to introduce me and my partner. My name is Haryanda Bakti and my partner name is Subhanuddin. Well, now is the time to get into the discussion. First, I want to tell you that encryption is a method in cryptography. So, I will try to explain first about cryptography. What is cryptography? Cryptography comes from the Greek words, meaning cryptos and graphein. Cryptos means secret or hidden, while graphein means writing. So, in general, cryptography is the process of writing or conveying message in a secret and hidden way. However, if we relate it to the use of digital technology, then cryptography is a discipline that studies the encryption technique of the original script or plain text, which is arranged randomly by utilizing an encryption key so that the script turns into text that is difficult to read, or we use its ciphertext by users who do not have the key description. Okay, next we can talk about the history of classical cryptography records. Cryptography records the use of transportation chippers by the Spartan army in Greece as early as 400 before Christ. They used a tool called the cytale. The cytale consists of a long piece of papyrus leaf wrapped around a cylinder of a certain diameter. The diameter of the cylinder represents the encryption key. The messages are written horizontally, line by line. When the tape is released, the letters in it have been randomly arranged to form a secret message. As you can see from the PowerPoint, it's a SkyTile. It's an illustration about SkyTile, so we can imagine it used like from Spartan Army in Greece in early, so it's old method, but we can use it on digital technology. Next, we will talk about the flow of work cryptography. So basically, cryptography is an encryption and decryption activity. What is encryption? Encryption is a technical process that converts information into a secret code, thereby obscuring the data you send, receiving, or store. While the decryption is the process of changing data that has been made unreadable through encryption back to the unencrypted form, with the aim that no one can know the content of our message other than the person who should receive the message. Next, there are many models for making encryption, including simple substitution, substitution cipher, Caesar cipher, V-general cipher, Enigma cipher, transposition cipher, and data encryption standard. And next, the presentation about how the encryption and decryption works will be explained by my partner Subhanuddin.
Okay, thanks Haryanda. In here I will take the presentation. How encryption work. In discussing how encryption work, there are several algorithms used for its encryption. There are two important things described, namely encryption with private key or symmetric cryptography and encryption with public key. In the picture below is how encryption works, where when the sending data, the data is still not encrypted like the text says hello. Well, data has not been encrypted is usually called plain text or raw data. The data will be encrypted using an encryption algorithm and encryption key or code be random text. From this process, we'll produce a new data called ciphertext. If the ciphertext data has been generated, then the data can only be read if is deciphered using a key or code that matches it. Next page, asymmetric encryption. In the mid 70s, Whitfield, Davy, and Martin Hellman invent the asymmetric encryption technique that revolutions the world of cryptography. An asymmetric key is a pair of cryptographic keys, one of which is used for encryption and the other for decryption. Everyone who gets the public key can use it to encrypt a message, while only one person has certain secret. In this case, in the private key to decrypt the password sent for him. For example, if Bambang send a message to Bedu, Bambang can be sure that the message can only be read by Bedu, because only Bedu can decrypt it with his private key. Of course, Bambang must have Bedu public key to encrypt. Bambang can get it from Bedu or from a third party such as Tari. Next page, symmetric encryption. Symmetric cryptosystem or symmetric cryptography, or also called conventional cryptographic algorithm, is an algorithm that uses the same key for the encryption process as the key for the decryption process. Symmetric cryptography algorithms are divided into two categories, namely stream ciphers and block ciphers. In the flow algorithm, the encoding process is oriented to one bit or one byte of data, while in the block algorithm, the encoding process is oriented to a set of bits or data bytes. This is the most commonly used type of cryptography. The key to compose an encoded message is the same as the key to unlocking the encoded message. So, the author of the message and the recipient must have the exact same key. Anyone who has the key, including unwanted parties, can create and decrypt the ciphertext. Next page is summary. Conclusion. So, in general, cryptography is the process of writing, conveying message in a secret and hidden way. However, if we relate it to the use of digital technology, then cryptography is a discipline that study the encryption technique of the original script plain text, which is ranked randomly but utilizing an encryption key so that the script turns into the text that is difficult to read. Ciphertext user by user who do not have the key description. Suggestion from author. We as user can trace easy with the security system, because with the system all our data or information will remain confidential even from the communication provider. And for all application developer, they must also remember to include the system in their application. For example, in the use of password or message that are considered to have privacy value, use a cryptographic system for the security of your data when accessing information on the internet network. Thus, your data is more secure and protect from spamming or illegal hacking of information. Okay, I think that's enough from us. More or less, sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.